Good morning all of you. Good morning class 4 Oak. Good morning beta. Are you ready for the computer class or not? Class 4 Oak. Good morning beta. Can you hear my voice? Can you see the board clearly? Reply me. Okay, fine. Okay, very good. I hope you all have watched my previous class. In my offline class, I just discussed mathematical operation, right? How to using the operator, how to using, show you all please. No beta, I am not in together mode. Grid view, you please, you all, nobody will change the view. Keep your computer or mobile in grid view. Okay, and start now. You all please take out your computer book and open chapter number 7, page number 97. Chapter number 7 and page number 97. Adrija, what happened beta? Okay, let's start now. Mathematical operators. Previous class I discussed operator plus, if you want to add, plus is operator. If you want to subtract, subtraction symbol, this is operator. Multiplication, this is operator, using the operator, and division plus. If you want to add, minus, this operator we use to subtraction, and this operator asterisk, this one you use to multiply, and this one backslash we use to divide. Okay. So, nobody will change the view. Keep your okay, very good Oishika, fine. Now, today previous class I also discussed sum function and how to using the function, how to add, subtraction, division and multiplication. Aniruddha, what happened beta? Can you hear my voice? Can you see the board clearly? Joya, I am in a grid view. Can you see the board clearly? Reply me quickly. Can you see the board clearly? Okay, fine. Maybe their problem. Who can't see? Maybe their problem. Okay. Now, previous class I discussed sum. Sum is a function. If you want to add, you can using the sum function you can add. If you want to add only two numbers, sum is a function. Before applying the function, first you have to, if you want to see the output, you have to write the print command, PR, it is a command, print command, then give a space, and sum. If you want to add two numbers, sum is a function, sum and then two numbers, suppose 8 and 9 you want to add. First print command, why you use the print command? To see the output. If you want to see the output on the screen, obviously it is we can see the output on the commander window. Okay, PR space sum function space first number and then second number, give a space and the second number. Okay, and now we can see the result here, output 8 plus 9 equal to 17. In just we can see the output 17. Sum function we can use to add numbers. If you want to add addition, then sum function. If you want to add more than two numbers, in this manner you cannot add. Suppose you want to add three numbers. If you write this in this manner, you cannot see the output. Message will show I don't know the sum. What is sum? Okay. If you want to add more than two numbers, then you have to write PR and then breathe in a bracket, give a space and then give a bracket. This is a round bracket, this is called round bracket, and then sum function. And then if you want to add three numbers, suppose 20, 30, 20, give a space, another number, and the third number 40, and then round bracket close. So more than two numbers if you want to add, you have to write function and the number within a round bracket. Okay, am I clear beta? Do you have any doubt, any queries? So peer to print the result, to print the output, peer is the command, and then sum function, first number space second number space third number. Okay, and then you can see the output, just 30 plus 20, 50, 50 plus 40, 90. You can see the output on the screen, okay, in the commanded window. Do you have any doubt? Okay, fine. Now same as if you want to subtract, if you want to, sum function we use to add the number. For addition we can use the sum function. Now if you want to subtract, subtraction, the function is difference. Subtraction function name is difference. If you want to subtract, the function name is difference. D-I-F-F-P-R. Here also you have to apply print command. P-R. To print the output, always we have to write a print command. P-R, then give a space, and then there is a difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Difference. This is a function. Difference. This function, yes, Deboshmi, very good. Difference function we use to subtract. We used for subtraction. Difference, and then suppose you want to subtract 50 and 15. Then first peer space difference function, again space first number and the second number. 50 minus 15, then 35. You can see the output 35. Okay. Now for the difference, always when we subtract two numbers, okay, not more than two numbers, answer 35 you can see in the commanded window. Okay. And now if you want to multiplication, if you want to multiply, then which function you have to apply? For the multiplication, we using operator and using the function you can add subtraction, multiplication and division. Very good, Deboshmi. Product. Product is a product function we use for multiplication. Okay. Here if you want to multiply two numbers, then you have to write the command PR, and then which function we will use for the multiplication? Product. P-R-O-D-U-C-T. Product. P-R-O-D-U-C-T. Product. And then if you want to multiply only two numbers, 12 and 4. PR why we apply? To print the result, to print the output. And product is a function if you want to multiply these two numbers. Okay. Product is a function name if you want to multiply, and then space first number space second number. Okay. 12 4 ja 48. Output you can see 48. Okay. Very good, Deboshmi. Very good, Aniruddha. Okay. Now another one is quotient. If you want to division, if you want to divide any two number, then two functions is for the quotient, one function, and for the remainder one function. Quotient only, suppose you want to multiply 21 divided by 5. Okay. Quotient part if we required, that if you divide this one 5 4 ja 20 and 1 is remainder. This is remainder and this is called quotient. Okay. So, if you want to see the quotient part, if you need the quotient part only, if you need only the quotient part, you have to apply quotient function QUOTIENT, PR quotient, 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 print quotient 21 and suppose 5, okay, and 21 space 5. You can see the output here 5 4 ja 24. Okay, here you can see 4 answer, but if you need remainder part, then you have to another function you have to apply, remainder R E M, and then R is the remainder REMAINDER, REMAINDER, 21 and 5, and we can see the output here 1, because here only remainder part will show the answer only 1. Okay. 4 is quotient, so if you apply quotient, PR quotient 21 5, 4 will be the answer. If you write the command PR remainder 21 and 5, answer will be 1. This means remainder part will show over here. Okay. Now, in your book, print with logo operator, another one is, we can see over here, remainder, it divides the first number by the second number and display only the remainder on the screen. To do this, type print remainder, follow the two numbers with a space between and then press the enter key. Obviously, always we have to give a, you have to press the enter key writing a comment, we all know. Okay. Now, print with the logical operator. Which are the operator? Equal to is the operator. Okay. Greater than, equal to, greater than and less than. These are the operator. Logical operator, these are called greater than, less than, equal to. Greater than, less than, equal to, these are logical operator. Okay, logical operator are used to compare the two numbers. We use this operator to compare two numbers. Okay, if I want to compare, so 15 and 12. If I want to compare, 15 is greater than 12, 15 is equal to 12 or 15 is less than 12. Now, if you want to apply this command, print, if you write, if you want to apply print PR 15 equal to 13, 15 equal to 13. If you write over here, then one message will send you false. The message, we can see the output false because 15 equal to 13 is not. If I write 15 greater than 13, the message will show true. True. If I write over here 15 equal to 15, yes, here message will show true. If I write 15 less than 10, message will show, what message will show? 15 is less than 10, false. Here message false. Okay. So, equal, this command compares two numbers and check the equality of both the numbers. If one number is equals another, it will print true, otherwise false. If both the number is equal, then we can say print, then the print, what will print? True. If both the number is not equal, then print false. Okay. Now the next page, greater than I already discussed, and less than also. If the number of the left side of the operator is greater than the number of the right side, logo display the result as true, otherwise the result will display false. If the first number is greater than the second number, then it will show true. If the first number is less, if you write that 15 greater than 10, message will show true. If you write 15 less than 10, then message will show false. Okay. That means these are the logical operator. Okay. For today this much. Next class I will discuss book exercise. Okay. Here let's check part is some mistake is there. No need to do, I am just solving. Print sum 40 20, answer 60, print quotient 10 2, 5, but print remainder 24 4. Here no remainder, but the 0 is not over there. 1, but it is wrong. And print product 4 and 8, 4 8 cha 32, but the no answer is here. No need to solve this one, here is some mistake. Okay. And who are present, please write down P so that I can take your attendance. Beta, who are present, please write down P. Okay. And do you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me. Please install logo and practice all this. Obhinav Melgandi present today. Adrija Sengupta. অগ্নিশা সিনহা, অহনা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়, ঐশিকা পাল, অনয় সিং, অনিরুদ্ধ পাল, অঙ্কুর চক্রবর্তী, বতিন ঘোষ, চন্দন সোরেন, দেবস্মী সেন হাজরা, দীপ্তাংশু হাজারি, জারিন ইয়াসমিন। Okay, I've taken your attendance, beta. Bye all of you, bye bye, have a nice day.